Hello, I'd like to welcome you to this wonderful cocoa business opportunity I'll be sharing with you today. My name is Tunde Akinola. The iStar Monetary Cocoa Business Opportunity is one of those wonderful business opportunities out there that a large number of people, they don't still know anything about. And this business opportunity will be your own financial freedom opportunity that's going to change your life forever. The iStar Monetary Network has been in existence for almost 5 years now, more, and they've really helped so many people to make so much money from this same cocoa product that we don't even know that people can make money from. In fact, virtually all of us, we believe that cocoa is just meant for exportation, but we don't even know cocoa is worthy. Even locally in Nigeria here, people are making so much money from it. And let me quickly show you that cocoa is actually the largest and the leading non-oil source of economic activity in Nigeria, and an average of 400,000 metric tons of this product is produced on yearly basis. Last year alone, 2015, the export revenue was 238.2 million. Despite the fact that the price fell down, in 2017, the country made over 292.7 million. I can tell you that there are 14 states in Nigeria where cocoa is being produced. Ondo, Cross River, Oyo, that you can see them all over on the screen. Kwara, Ebonyi, and you can't believe that this same product is giving livelihood to over 5 million people in this same country. Cocoa is a highly volatile international product traded even on the New York Stock Exchange, and the world consumption is estimated to be 5.8 million metric tons in global annually. However, the volatility is because of the investment people make in it for exportation. And so when people do exportation, they make an average of 20 to 25% profit because of the international logistic, freight, tax, and everything. But if this same product is being traded locally, people are making over 50% of the profit of this product. If you take Dangote as for an example, Dangote is not doing more of exportation. He's producing cement locally and he's selling it locally. He's making more profit, and that's why he became the richest man in Africa. But if he's exporting and he's bringing the money back, he will not be able to make as much as he's making. And this is the secret behind this same business. Cocoa in Nigeria currently, people are making so much money. In the olden days, we all know that our fathers they have cocoa farm and they call it their money tree. And you too can actually make cocoa your own money tree. I don't know the kind of job you do, the kind of business you do, but this same business I am introducing to you today can actually change your life forever. It doesn't matter that you're doing full-time or part-time jobs. If you try to take advantage of this one, your life will change completely. You can be a trader in this business in 5 different dimensions. Either you're a farmer, you're an agent, you're an exporter, or you're a local trader, or you're an investor. Yes, not everybody can be an exporter because it involves a lot of money. Not everybody wants to go back to the farm. You might not be the agent, but you can be a local trader, you can be an investor. And that is what I am doing, and that is what is making the whole profitability for a large number of profit. We all know that cocoa is generally used for chocolate, beverage, food, etc. in the global market. However, far back 1980, there was this research that showed that cocoa powder has amazing, powerful, and proven health benefits capable of preventing and healing certain number of sickness and diseases naturally. And unfortunately, a huge number of us, we do not know. And we know that cocoa is generally used. Because it's generally used, people feel it's just to eat chocolate and no. Cocoa is actually a health drink. People are sick. People are dying. Health is a major issue. And you know that a large number of people are moving from conventional synthetic medicine to preventive and natural medicine, and which is called herbal and supplement. And that's why you see a lot of herbal companies everywhere. You see a lot of supplement companies everywhere. Most of these supplement companies come from abroad, and they come to our country, they bring the product, we use the product, and we see the effect. And people, even as they are selling it and trading in it, they make a lot of money from it. Unknown to millions of people, cocoa is actually so powerful health drink. It's an antioxidant, and it has amazing capability, which is proven to prevent over 8 different diseases. It has saved, healed, transformed the lives of millions of people and prevent various sickness and diseases, diabetic, oxidation, leg ulcer, fertility, erection, division, tiredness, fatigue, high blood pressure, heart attack. It has helped so many people. On the screen, you can see how wonderful this product is. It prevents diabetes, high cholesterol, it lowers high blood pressure, it boosts libido, improves sexual function in men, it prevents breast cancer, it fights fatigue. You can go online. It also reduces blood clot for women who normally do their period and they have thick blood. If you drink this product, it will change your life for the better. And you see a large number of people already trading in it. How did this got started? The iStar Monetary Company started 2012 as a network before the discovery of the product, and they called the product Lotu Pure Cocoa Powder. And the vision is very simple: to solve local health problem with local content, because there are millions of supplements that have been imported into Nigeria. And if you look at this supplement, the raw material used to produce this supplement, most of them can also be found locally. These herbs can be found in Nigeria locally. Then why can't we take these herbs and convert it to this supplement so that our people can start making money and also benefit from the health? In 2013, the company eventually decided to promote the impact of this health product, and that is what has given us this wonderful brand, Lotu Pure Cocoa Powder. And then in 2018, the company in just 5 years has become so huge, so big. Currently, the company has over 2,000 active distributors in Nigeria, and they have covered over 25 states. And I think this is a great opportunity for you. Millions of people are making money already, and they are making not just small money, they are making huge profit from even distributing the product. And this is going to be a nice, wonderful business opportunity for you. So what the iStar Monetary has created, it has given every one of us the money-making opportunity in a business that is supposed to be international. Even with small amount of money, you can actually go into the business with common 10,000, 20,000 naira. You can start trading in cocoa and start making money, adding value and health to the lives of a lot of people. You can take advantage of business opportunity, the health, the luxury, the investment opportunity, and the networking connection in it. You can see a lot of people are enjoying it already, going from exchanging this product and converting it to wealth and changing their lives. A lot of testimonies have been here concerning this product. You can see it right displayed on your screen, the way it was before, now the way the product looks like. It's been improved, and it's in 3 different sizes. You can actually take advantage of. You can see the promo and the handbills. If you look at all the buses, most especially within Lagos Metropolis, you will see the advert on the buses everywhere. So it's all over, and it's a very powerful product. In fact, some of the testimony we had most recently, over 8 people have testified that this product made them pregnant. Wow, is that the truth? Well, not actually the product impregnated them, but because it's an antioxidant, it washes all the dirt in their body, and that makes them to conceive. This 52-year-old woman, we went to her house and did interview. We have the video of this woman. She has never given birth before in her life, but drinking this product, everything changed. There are other great testimony, high blood pressure cases. Ask your doctor. Go to orthopedic hospital. Go to several other hospitals. You see doctors recommending this for people who have high sugar in their body and all of that. It helps balance sugar in the body. We have seen several reports of leg cancer that this product has healed. It boosts libido, improves sexual function in men. So all of you men who are having problem in satisfying your wives, this is a great product. If you know anybody, buy it and send it to them. They would definitely testify. Millions of testimony even for women that normally have menstrual pain. You can see it reduces menstrual pain. If you are drinking it regularly, you will never have it again. You will not have blood clots any longer. Testimonies upon testimonies upon testimonies upon testimonies, and it has changed so many people's life. This same company also have other products. There are other 4 major products. Keto Max is good for loss of memory, amnesia. Ofada Plus is also as an alkalized brown rice for those who are diabetic patients, so that when they eat it, they will not be having too much sugar in their body. Miralive, this wonderful product, all made by the company. This is for immune system. Anybody with HIV/AIDS eating this Miralive, I can assure you healing will come to that person. These are wonderful products. And then Belovita is beans powder for akara and beans. All of these and many more. You can see the company distributing the product to most of their distributors all over the country. Why do you need this product? It is natural. It has no chemical. organic, locally sourced, best antioxidant in the world, so active, result proven. It has NAFDAC approved on it, trademark. It tested okay, even in UK laboratory for distribution. Best cocoa product in the market. Oh, tested, hundreds of testimony, and people buy it or export it to their families and loved ones outside the countries. They send it to their families, and hundreds of people have testified. Even people buy it as gift for old age people. What are the benefits as a distributor? If you want to become a distributor, it's very, very easy. I'd like you to contact the person who sent you this video. One, you can do this business as a part-time or full-time. You can, as much as you distribute the product, people are getting healed. Testimonies are coming. You are making money. In fact, people are making money. The person who sent you the video, call the person and ask. They've been a lot of benefit. And if you become a distributor, you can also refer people to the company. The more people you refer to the company, the more the company also pay you, because it's a network, very easy network you can do. Refer 3 people, you have started collecting gifts already, incentives. And every month you even get alert in your bank account on every month. So this is an opportunity. The company gives you free publicity. We support you. We give you all that is necessary for you to kick off. And I can assure you, if you are ready for this business, you can make as much as 200,000 naira on monthly basis from this business. Then what are you looking for? Looking for a job up and down. What business are you looking for? You need 1,000, 1 million naira, 10 million naira to start a business. You don't need more, even up to 20,000 naira to start this very business. I'd like you to take this advantage of this opportunity. I'd like you to quickly start reaching out to the person that sent you this video and start asking questions. See how you can also register. Because once you become a member of this great, wonderful network, you will start making money instantly. You start selling your own product because people are looking for this product. The company is looking for more distributors, and this is a great opportunity for you. With small amount of money, you can start. You get allowances, you get car bonuses. As much as you refer more people to the company also they pay you. There are so many bonus opportunity in it. The compensation plan is so juicy. You can see it on the screen. Retail product is over 40%. Personal bonus, 7-level referral bonus. All of these bonuses, I'll be creating another video that I'll be explaining this more for you. And then so many from stage 1 to stage 2 to 3. In fact, you get to a stage, the company gives you a car. We send you to Ghana. The company will give you Dubai trip. Just because you are a distributor and you are referring people to the company. You need to take advantage. You see a lot of people have been collecting things. You can see the images all over on the screen. You can see so many people collecting deep freezer, standing freezer, home theater, a huge number of market people, even people who are working in offices on the island. They are all part of this great opportunity. I'd like you to visit the website, istartmonetary.com. Go there right away. Read through the website and get yourself knowledgeable. Call the person who sent you this video right away and then join this network. The account of the company is right on your screen. Quickly take it now, GT Bank or First Bank. Once you make your payment, just call the number on your screen, 0802-868692. That is direct line to the office. But you can also call the person who has sent you this video, so that you can come through that person. Without a referral, the company will not attend to you. I'd like to let you know that this is a very, very powerful business opportunity that is so rare. Just give it a try. 2019 is your own year. And don't let your family start blaming you again that the year is running out. You cannot provide for anybody. You cannot do this. You cannot achieve anything. Give this a try. Join our Facebook page, facebook.com/istartmonetary.com. I'm looking forward to see you at the top. These are just few marketing tips. When you start the business, the company will also give you more training online, on WhatsApp, and all of that. Once again, till I come your way, I'll be creating more videos for you to learn. And then I want to say thank you. God bless you. istartmonetary.com. With iStart Monetary, life is sweet.